Look around you. The trees, the river, the land, the air, the biodiversity, the oceans, the mountains. Are you proud of this sight?
The current situations of the global is increasingly worrying. Day by day, we will hear the issues involving the destructions of our nature.
If we look at our own country, there are many pollution issues that occur, including landslide, frequent floods, and sea and river pollutions.
Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has mentioned in the Quran in Surah Rum verse 41 about the damage that occur on the earth.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس ليذيقهم بعض الذي عملوا لعلهم يرجعون.
The word distractions mean all forms of violation of the system or law that has been made by Allah. Distraction can be in the form of environmental pollution or destruction of flora and fauna. Among the distractions on the land are deforestation, wildfire or forest burning, and pointed hill. The ocean also has been damaged due to greedy human actions. Among the damages are oil spill and dumping waste into the sea. All the distractions that occur are because of the human actions itself. Allah shows the effect of the damage is only a small part of the result of human error. Because if Allah gives the effect completely, then this world will be damaged.
Allah purpose in showing the destruction of nature is to show humans about the bad effect of their actions. So, they can think if they are in the world, they are subjected to this, let alone in hereafter.
Individuals who have no responsibility for the environment will cause us environmental problems. Those who are not concerned for the environment will destroy it over the next 10 years. We can see that people are still unaware about our nature.
They throw trash wherever they want without feeling guilty. What if a million of people behave like this? What will happen to our nature?
However, we can still save our environment.
Now it is time to open our eyes and be aware of our actions.
Educate yourself, use your voice to speak up, spread the word and take action.
Give advice and educate them in correct way. If giving advice doesn't work, we can also use the second solution, which is by imposing fines or punishment. For having committed an offense, i.e. violating environmental regulations or laws.
As humans, we have a responsibility to protect the environment, take care and appreciate it before we destroy it with our own actions. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are not the one who take care of it, who else? Save our environment. Be the solution, not the pollution.
Together we win! Together we